Meanwhile, let's quickly move on. After a historic win, all eyes are now on the big question where Maharashtra is concerned: who will be the next chief minister? Mahayuti Alliance achieved a historic victory in Maharashtra Assembly polls, winning 230 seats. But suspense is brewing over the CM face. Shiv Sena is bargaining hard for Shinde as CM. Shiv Sena MP Naresh Maske has demanded the Bihar NDA model in Maharashtra, asking BJP to choose Shinde like they chose Nitish in Bihar. In midst of the suspense over chief ministerial phase, sources tell India Today that Ajit Pawar wants Fadnavis. As per sources, Ajit said that Fadnavis should be the CM as BJP emerged as single largest party in Mahayuti. Former Union Minister Rao Sahab Danwe also rooted for Fadnavis, claiming Eknath Shinde was the face of Mahayuti in polls but not the CM.
सभी विधायकों ने एक मत से विधायक दल का नेता मुझे चुना, इसलिए मैं उनको बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देता हूं। जो विश्वास उन्होंने जताया इसके लिए उनको बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं भी।
महायुति के लीडर और मुख्यमंत्री एकनाथ शिंदे साहब होना चाहिए। हमें और हमारे कार्यकर्ताओं को लग रहा है क्योंकि हमारे पार्टी के वो नेता है। जिस तरह से भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने बिहार में संख्या भर देखा नहीं, लेकिन छोटी पार्टी है, उसको बड़ी करने के लिए नीतीश कुमार को सीएम पद दिलाया, वैसे ही एकनाथ शिंदे साहब को सीएम पद मिलेगा, यह हमें विश्वास है।
तीन पार्टियों ने मिलाकर हमने चुनाव लड़ा और तीनों पार्टियां अपने चुन के आए जो विधायक है उनकी मीटिंग बुलाकर नेता का चयन करेंगे और वो तीन नेता साथ में बैठकर हमारे जो श्रेष्ठ वरिष्ठ नेता है उनके साथ राय मशवरा करके अगला मुख्यमंत्री कौन होगा इसका निर्णय करेंगे। ये चुनाव जो हमने लड़ा ये एकनाथ शिंदे के नेतृत्व में लड़ा, लेकिन चुनाव के बाद नेता मुख्यमंत्री कौन, कोई चेहरा सामने रखकर हमने ये चुनाव नहीं लड़ा। तो इसलिए जो निर्णय श्रेष्ठी करेंगे वो हमारा नेता होगा। पार्टी के नेता जो है वो देवेंद्र फडणवीस है, उन्हीं के नेतृत्व में हमने ये चुनाव लड़ा है। विधिमंडल पार्टी जो नेता चुनेगी वो हमारा नेता रहेगा।
आमचा नेता विधिमंडळाचा अजितदादा पवार यांची सर्वानुमते नेमणूक केलेली आहे आणि आता शिंदे गटांचे जे आहेत नेते कोण आहेत ऑथेंटिकली ते कळायचं आम्हाला। बीजेपीच्या नेतेपदी कोण येत आहे ते पण अधिकृतरित्या आमच्याकडे यायचं आहे, परंतु सर्वसाधारणपणे आमचा काय देवेंद्र फडणवीस यांना विरोध राहायचं काही असण्याचं काही कारण मला तरी वाटत नाही।
आज राष्ट्रवादी के नवनिर्वाचित विधायकों की बैठक हुई। हमने उनका स्वागत किया, सम्मान किया, सत्कार किया और साथ साथ में हमने हमारे पार्लियामेंट्री लेजिस्लेटिव पार्टी जो एनसीपी की है उसके नेता के पद पर अजीत पवार साहब का वहां पर चयन किया। सभी ने स्वागत किया इस बात का और साथ साथ में अजीत पवार साहब को ये अधिकार दिया कि आगे की जो भी बातचीत है उसमें आप पार्टी के हिसाब से योग्य निर्णय लीजिए। सरकार में शामिल होने का भी निर्णय आपको अधिकार दिया गया है।
कल माननीय हमारे नेता देवेंद्र जी ने साफ तौर से कहा है, मैं भी आपको साफ तौर से कहता हूं, तीनों पार्टियों के नेता मिलकर केंद्र के हमारे वरिष्ठ नेतृत्व जो है माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी है, अमित भाई है, हमारे नड्डा जी है, हमारा केंद्रीय एक पार्लियामेंट में बोर्ड होता है, उसमें सारी चर्चा होगी। अभी वो चर्चा करना नेतृत्व का सवाल है, नेतृत्व चर्चा करता है, तो मुझे लगता है जब भी बैठक होगी इसमें निर्णय होगा।
Meanwhile, India Today's Rahul Kanwal spoke to Piyush Goyal on who will be the next Maharashtra Chief Minister. Listen in.
Is it now inevitable that Devendra Fadnavis becomes Chief Minister of Maharashtra, given that you got 132 with a strike rate of almost 90%? I don't see how the BJP cadre would...
It's not almost 90%, it's actually 90 because we had given 4 seats to our friendly allies, all of whom won. So out of the 152 we contested, we are almost 135, 136. So I think it's a phenomenal performance. And I must compliment the people of Maharashtra for choosing wisely, for choosing the leadership of Prime Minister Modi, the leadership of Home Minister Amit Shah ji, Devendra Fadnavis ji. The decision about the Chief Minister will of course be taken in consultation by all the three
What's your
partners.
personal take?
Well, we will wait and watch what is decided by the leaders.
But is it kind of inevitable that now the BJP has its own chief minister? 132 seats, there's really no reason for anybody else to be chief minister.
Let us wait and watch what the three leaders decide as they select amongst themselves who would be best suited to be the chief minister.
My colleague Piyush Mishra right now joining us with the very latest. Piyush, what are you picking up where the Bharatiya Janata Party is concerned? The RSS extremely keen, was all in this election, and very, very keen now that there be a BJP CM phase. What are you picking up? Will it be continuity, Alliance Dharma, Eknath Shinde carries on, or is it going to be Devendra Fadnavis?
Preeti, one thing is absolutely clear that BJP cadre want the BJP chief minister in Maharashtra, because when there was a change in government, a couple of years back, we had seen as to how Eknath Shinde was given the opportunity. But this time, what BJP wants is that BJP has got more than 130 numbers in their kitty, and it's very important to have a BJP chief minister in the state. But as of now, decision has not been taken. What we are learning is that most likely today there will be a meeting of all the leaders of Mahayuti with the BJP's top leadership, and then by tomorrow a decision could be taken, and in a day or two we can expect this swearing-in ceremony to take place. But on the other side, Eknath Shinde faction is also pushing for Shinde to continue as the chief minister, because what they feel is that the kind of work which was done by Shinde during his tenure as chief minister and also the Ladki Behna Yojana has done wonders for Mahayuti, and that is why the government has again been formed in the state. So the kind of formula which is there in Bihar, similar sort of formula should be implemented in Maharashtra. This is what the Eknath Shinde faction is concerned. But as of now, BJP or Eknath Shinde, Shiv Sena or Ajit Pawar's NCP, they have not taken any particular decision who is going to be the chief minister. All the parties, the leaders of all the parties, workers of all the parties are pushing for names of their respective leaders. This can be finalized only after the meetings. Those are likely to take place in a day or two in Delhi, and then we will be able to know as to who is going to lead here in Maharashtra, and that can take after 2 days we can expect the formation of government, process of formation of government to begin in the state of Maharashtra.
All right, Piyush, appreciate for joining us, and a lot going on there, but there really isn't much time, because whatever the Mahayuti decides, it needs to be very, very quick, because there needs to be a chief minister in order by tomorrow.